Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert horizontal line in Google Docs. If you want to separate sections in your document and make the layout easier to read, adding a horizontal line is a simple and effective option. Google Docs includes this feature right in the menu, so you can insert it in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Google Docs file. In this example, we're starting from an untitled document, but the same steps will work in any existing document as well. Once your document is open, place your cursor where you want the horizontal line to appear. This is important because the line will be inserted exactly at the cursor's location. If you're organizing headings, breaking up content, or creating a cleaner visual separation between sections, choosing the right placement first will save you time. Next, move to the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains a variety of items you can add to your document, including images, tables, and special formatting elements. For this task, we'll be using the option for a horizontal line. After clicking Insert, look through the drop-down menu and select Horizontal Line. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will place a line across the width of the page at your cursor position. That's all it takes to insert a horizontal line in Google Docs. It's a quick formatting tool, but it can make a big difference in how polished and organized your document looks. If the line doesn't appear where you expected, simply undo the action and reposition your cursor before trying again. This can be especially helpful if you're working in a longer document and want precise placement. A useful tip to keep in mind is that horizontal lines are often used to divide major sections, add visual structure, or create a cleaner reading experience. They can be especially helpful in reports, notes, templates, or collaborative documents where clarity matters. Once the line is inserted, you can continue typing above or below it depending on how you're structuring your content. If needed, click around the line to make sure it sits exactly where you want it in relation to your text. And that's how to insert a horizontal line in Google Docs.